taking the bed off to get the fuel pump out because the tank won't drop and the cross member's riveted and everything. This last bolt, the welded nut broke loose on it, so it's just free spinning in its hole. And the cutoff wheel, the guard blocks me from getting in behind the head with the blade on it. So I figure, heck, I've got sandpaper that'll spin at a few thousand RPMs, so we'll just grind her down, grind it off. We've about got her, letting air pressure build up. For comparison, that's how the head started. And that's where we're at right now. Ha! Got him.